I really want to be like her one day. She is amazing.
Who? The astronaut?
Yes, she worked so hard to get to space. I look up to her.
It's good to have someone to look up to. It motivates you.
Do you look up to anyone like a hero?
Actually, I look up to my dad. He never gave up.
That's sweet. Your dad is a cool guy.
Thanks. I hope my kids will look up to me one day.
They will if you stop eating ice cream for breakfast.
Hey, astronauts eat ice cream.
Dried ice cream, not chocolate sundae.
Details.
You just want an excuse to eat sugar.
Maybe. Don't judge me.
So, are we having the holiday party on Friday or Saturday?
Honestly, it's up in the air. The boss hasn't decided.
But it's already Wednesday. We need to book the venue.
I know, everything is up in the air right now. It's frustrating.
What about the budget? Is that approved?
Nope, that's also up in the air.
How can we plan anything if everything is up in the air?
We can't. We just have to wait.
I hate uncertainty. I like plans.
Me too, but until he calls, it's all up in the air.
I'm going to eat lunch, assuming lunch isn't up in the air too.
No, lunch is confirmed. Sandwich place.
Good. At least food is certain.
I'm getting extra cheese. Hi, honey. I just arrived at the hotel.
Great. Did you check in yet?
Yes, I'm checking in right now. The lobby is huge.
Make sure to check in with me later tonight.
I will call you before sleep. Don't worry.
How's the room? Did you ask for a view?
I haven't seen it yet. I'm still at the counter to check in.
Okay, send me photos once you get the key.
Will do. The receptionist is asking for my passport. I gotta go.
Okay, thanks for checking in. Love you.
Love you too. Bye.
Don't forget to call.
I won't.
I entered a contest to win a free trip to Hawaii.
That sounds cool, but don't get your hopes up.
Why not? Someone has to win. It could be me.
Thousands of people enter those things. The chances are small.
You are so negative. Let me dream.
I'm just being realistic. Don't get your hopes up and be disappointed.
I have a good feeling about this. I feel lucky.
Okay, fine. Good luck. But seriously, don't get your hopes up.
I'm already packing my bags mentally.
Oh boy, you are going to be sad tomorrow.
If I win, I'm not taking you.
Fair enough.
I'll take my mom instead.
She won't complain like me. Excuse me, I think there was a mix-up with my order.
Oh, what did you order?
I ordered an iced latte. This is hot tea.
I'm so sorry. I must have mixed up the cups.
It's okay. It happens.
Let me make you a new one right away. Sorry for the mix-up.
Thanks. Can I keep the tea too since it's already made?
Sure, my treat. Sorry again for mixing it up.
No worries. I actually like tea sometimes.
Here's your iced latte. Correct this time.
Perfect. Thanks for fixing the mix-up.
Enjoy.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Are you going to buy the phone or not?
I don't know. I'm still on the fence.
It's a good price and your old phone is broken.
I know, but it's a lot of money. I'm on the fence about the color too.
Just get the black one. It's classic.
But the blue one is cool. I'm on the fence.
If you stay on the fence, the store will close.
Okay, I need a sign. Give me a sign.
Here is a sign. I am hungry and want to leave.
Okay, I'll buy it. I'm off the fence.
Finally, let's go.
Wait, do I need insurance? I'm on the fence again.
Get the insurance. Let's go.
Okay, don't push me. This toaster is falling apart. The button just popped off.
It's 10 years old, Tom. Things fall apart eventually.
But I love this toaster. It makes perfect toast.
Buy a new one before the whole kitchen falls apart.
My life feels like it's falling apart today.
Relax. It's just a toaster. You are being dramatic.
First my car, now my toaster. Everything is falling apart.
You just need some sleep. Go lay down.
I can't. The bed fell apart yesterday, remember?
Oh yeah, we really need to go shopping.
Can we just glue everything back together?
No, we are adults. We stick together, but we buy new stuff.
I guess so. Pass me the duct tape anyway.
No tape. New toaster.
Pineapple belongs on pizza. It's sweet and salty. Perfect.
That is disgusting. Fruit does not go on cheese.
You are wrong. Hawaiian pizza is a classic.
It's a crime against food. Italians are crying right now.
Look, we are never going to agree on this.
Clearly, you have terrible taste.
Let's agree to disagree. Keep the peace.
Fine, let's agree to disagree. But I'm ordering pepperoni.
And I'm ordering pineapple. Half and half.
As long as your pineapple doesn't touch my side.
Deal. Let's agree to disagree and just eat.
Agreed. But don't look at my side.
I won't. I'll enjoy my delicious fruit pizza.
You're a monster.
This weather is absolutely miserable.
You can say that again. My shoes are full of water.
I should have stayed in bed today.
You can say that again. This day is a disaster.
The bus is late too. Of course.
Just our luck. I'm freezing.
We need a vacation somewhere sunny.
You can say that again. Hawaii.
Yes, please, right now.
I'd give anything for a warm towel.
Me too. This rain is never going to stop.
You can say that again.
And I forgot my umbrella. Now that is truly sad.
I'm going to tell him exactly what I think.
Sarah, hold back. Don't say anything you'll regret.
He stole my idea. I can't hold back my anger.
I know exactly how you feel, but hold back for 5 minutes.
Why? He deserves it.
If you yell now, you look unprofessional. Calm down first.
You're right. I need to hold back. Deep breaths.
Exactly. Don't let your emotions hold you back from success.
Okay, I'm calm. Thanks for stopping me.
No problem. Never hold back good ideas, but hold back the temper.
Wise words. I'll write an email instead.
Much better. Keep it polite.
I will try to hold back the sarcasm.
Good luck with that.
Did you eat the last cookie?
Me? No, I haven't been near the kitchen.
Liar. It's written all over your face.
What are you talking about? I'm innocent.
You have chocolate on your chin, Tom.
Oh, oops.
And you look guilty. It's written all over your face.
Okay, fine, I ate it. It was calling my name.
I was saving that for later.
I'm sorry, I have no poker face.
No, you don't. Everything you think is written all over your face.
Next time I'll wear a mask.
Or just don't steal my cookies.
I can't promise that.
Get out of my kitchen.
Is John coming tonight?
He said he would turn up around 8.
It's already 9. I don't think he will turn up.
He always turns up late. Don't worry.
While we wait, can you turn up the music?
Sure, I love this song. Turning it up.
That's better. Let's dance.
Oh, look, John finally turned up at the door.
About time. Hey, John.
He brought snacks. I'm glad he turned up.
Me too. Now turn up the volume even more.
Way ahead of you.
This party is finally turning up. Whoop whoop.
Did you take out the trash? Did you wash the dishes?
Sarah, please get off my back. I just got home.
I'm just reminding you. You always forget.
I will do it later. Just get off my back for a minute.
Don't get angry. I just want a clean house.
I know, but nagging me won't help. Get off my back.
Fine, I'll stop asking, but if it's not done by dinner...
It will be done. Relax.
Okay, I'm getting off your back.
Thank you. I need 5 minutes of peace.
5 minutes, then I'm back on your back.
You are impossible.
But you love me.
Sometimes.
I'm going to email the CEO directly about my idea.
The CEO? Are you crazy? It's a long shot.
I know, but if he likes it, it could change everything.
He probably won't even read it. It's a long shot.
You miss 100% of the shots you don't take.
True, but don't be sad if he ignores you. It's a long shot.
I'm feeling brave today. Sending it now.
Wow, you actually did it.
Fingers crossed, even if it's a long shot.
I admire your courage. Let me know if he replies.
I will. Sometimes long shots pay off.
Good luck.
Thanks. I need a drink now.
Coffee is on me. So, about the project, there are many factors, and the weather...
Sarah, please cut to the chase. What is the problem?
Well, I'm trying to explain the background context first.
We don't have time. Cut to the chase. Is it done or not?
No, it's not done.
Thank you. Why didn't you just say that?
I was afraid you would be mad, so I didn't want to cut to the chase.
I prefer honesty. Always cut to the chase with me.
Okay, the computer crashed and I lost the file.
Now that is the real issue. Thanks for cutting to the chase.
Sorry, can you help me fix it?
Let's see what we can do.
You are the best.
You are the best.
Did you hear the company is giving everyone a free car?
No way, you're pulling my leg.
I'm serious. The memo just came out.
Electric cars? I don't believe you.
You're definitely pulling my leg.
Go check your email. It's right there.
If this is a joke, it's not funny.
Okay, you got me. I'm pulling your leg.
I knew it. Why do you always do that?
It's April Fool's Day. I had to pull your leg.
You are annoying. I wanted a car.
Maybe next year.
Stop pulling my leg.
I can't help it. It's too fun.
I'm going to get revenge.
It's a lot of money, but it's a great house. Should we sign?
I'm tired. I don't want to decide tonight. Let's sleep on it.
But what if someone else buys it tomorrow morning?
We need clear heads. It's better to sleep on it.
You're right. I'm feeling impulsive.
Exactly. Whatever we decide tomorrow will be the right choice.
Okay, let's sleep on it. No talking about houses until coffee.
Deal. Good night, Tom.
Good night. I think we should buy it.
Sleep on it. Stop talking.
Okay. Sleeping. Wow. You really can sleep on it immediately.
Are you going to try the spicy octopus soup?
I don't know. My stomach is sensitive. I think I'll play it safe.
Come on, be adventurous. Try something new.
No thanks. I'll play it safe and order the chicken sandwich.
You always play it safe. You're missing out.
I prefer to enjoy my meal without pain. Playing it safe is smart. Fine.
I'm ordering the soup.
Good for you. If you get sick, don't complain.
Wow, that is spicy. Water.
See? This is why I play it safe.
Pass the water. You were right.
I told you so.
Shut up and give me milk.
Happy birthday, Sarah. Here's your gift.
Oh no, is it today? It totally slipped my mind.
How can you forget your own birthday?
I've been so busy at work, it just slipped my mind.
Well, open it. I didn't forget.
You are sweeter than me. I forgot to buy cake.
It's okay. I brought cupcakes too.
You thought of everything. I can't believe it slipped my mind.
Does this mean I don't get a present on my birthday?
No, I will put yours in my calendar right now.
Make sure it doesn't slip your mind.
Never again. Thanks, Tom.
Enjoy your gift.
I love it.
Smells good in here. When is dinner ready?
Don't just stand there. Make yourself useful.
What can I do? You seem to have it under control.
You can chop these carrots. Make yourself useful.
But I might cut my finger.
Then set the table. Just do something. Make yourself useful.
Fine, I'll set the table. Fork on the left, right?
Yes, see, it's not that hard to make yourself useful.
I'm helping. I'm a chef now.
You are a waiter. Now pour the water.
Yes, chef. Making myself useful, chef.
Good boy.
Do I get a tip?
You get to eat. That's your tip.